Doctors in Maine say they're hearing a concerning rumor from patients. The rumor that getting a COVID-19 vaccine or a flu shot predisposes someone to getting the respiratory virus RSV.
RSV cases are increasing in Maine earlier than normal, something we talked about yesterday. So is there any truth to the rumor? Let's verify.
We've heard all sorts of claims about COVID-19 vaccines, like they contain microchips or make you magnetic. Those have been debunked. One new claim about the vaccines that doctors are hearing?
That there was some rumors going around that children who had gotten COVID or influenza vaccine were then catching RSV.
So let's verify. Our sources are Dr. Mary Odolini, Chair of Pediatrics for the Barbara Bush Children's Hospital, and Dr. Catherine Rutledge, Pediatric Inpatient Physician and President of the Medical Staff at Eastern Maine Medical Center. Both doctors tell us that cases of RSV in kids are rising in Maine and across the country earlier than normal.
It may be that we're just getting over the worst of it right now and things will be better, but right around the corner is the flu.
So does getting a COVID-19 vaccine or a flu shot predispose someone to getting RSV? Our sources say no.
It just happens to be a coincidence. RSV is going around right now. You're not going to increase the risk of your child getting RSV by getting them immunized.
Dr. Rutledge says that going to get a shot could be a potential exposure point, just like any crowded place.
You are more likely to get exposed to things. I don't think the doctor's office is a huge exposure risk, but it might be for some families with very young children.
But we're not talking about a cause and effect here, right, between getting a COVID vaccine and getting RSV.
No, not at all.
So we can verify it's false. There is no evidence that shows COVID or flu vaccines predispose kids to RSV. But doctors advise parents and kids to avoid crowded spaces to limit exposure risk.
Now, if you want to learn more about RSV and what doctors are advising parents to do during this rise in cases, you can check out the story we ran yesterday. It's on our website, app, or YouTube channel.